Subject, we have basic science. Topic, movement of animals and machine. Class, grade 2. First, movement of animals. Let's take a look at movement of animals. We say 1, run. 2, work. 3, swing. 4, gallop, like galloping. 5, jump. 6, climb. 7, leap. And 8, we say fly and spring. All these are movements exhibit or carried out by animals. And every animal has his method or ways of moving. You understand me? Like run. Animals that run are what? We have the goats. Run. Dog. Run. Lion. Run. Walk. Goat also walk. Human being also, as the higher animal, walk. Run. Swim. Fish. Swim. Gallop. Galloping, like the horse. What they did is what? Galloping. While we have jump, like the kangaroos, they jump. You have climb, like monkey climb. Monkey exhibit carried out what we call climbing movement. Leap, like animals that are running, like lion. If an animal that is chasing another animal, we call that animal either what? Leap or spring. You see dive, you call it diving. For the you say spring to catch the other animal. Why fly? Bird, what? Fly. So all these are movement carried out by animals. Now secondly, we have movement of machines. You know machines. We say machines moves with what? External power. That is power that you can what? Outside, aside from internal, or we say outside. Now e.g. like electricity. These are external force which helps machine to what? To move electricity. 2, human power. Human being also help machine to move, like bicycle. Like all these some grinding machines, grinding engines, is they use what we call electricity before they grind your items. Magnetism. This magnet that I said, it attracts another metal, is a form of external power which helps machine to move. Secondly, some machines rotate, e.g. like your fan or a sailboat. You understand me? So all these are some another forms of this. Now your homework are mention 5 movements of animals. Like you can see when you read your note, you can see movement of animals. I have them no less than 8. We have secondly, you say dash moves with external power. What moves with external power? What is it?